What the fuck? That was so long.
You should make it. You should make it so like it's like a car starting up and then drifting at the end.
Sounds like a drifting car.
I got more berries for you, but I can't get through it.
The hell? What is wheezing problem?
Mickey Mouse on crack.
What the hell? How do you do that?
Sound like Mickey Mouse.
How do you
trying
make
to
that
get a picture
wheeze?
with his family?
How do you make
Sound
that
like Mickey Mouse
wheeze?
when he get a picture with the family.
How do you make? Yeah. How do you make that wheeze? Literally.
How do you make that sound? How do you make that sound?
No.
Shut up. That's what I'll do.
I can't do it anymore.
Why not?
My throat is bleeding.
I think you just wasted your vocal cords. On
Yeah, you
this.
just wasted
Yeah,
it.
no, I did.
Fucking vocal cords are like dry as fuck.
Jack. If I come to school tomorrow on Monday using fucking sign language, now you know why.
Yeah.
Be like, bing bong, ching chong.
Steal
Or
your
you're gonna be
wand.
like,
That's literally gonna be him. That's literally gonna be him on school on Monday. Again. I swear, everyone in this fucking clan has like some sort of wheezing problem.
Okay, I don't wheeze. I can't even wheeze.
What was that sound?
What was that? That was weak as hell.
Yeah.
I can make a screech sound.
The
I
hell?
want to have a re-off.
It sounds like someone scratching like a chalkboard with like a like a stick.
What?
I can't wheeze right now. I don't know why. I've been wheezing too much today.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop because my throat.
Rego, wheeze. Rego.
Let's play
No,
the penis
I'm
game.
not. I'm
Make your
stopping
throat
now.
even bleed
That's
even more.
it.
Let's play the penis
Rego.
game.
Rego. Make your throat even
Bro, I'm literally
bleed
crying.
more.
That's how bad it fucking hurts.